Be strong.
Hey guys, so welcome back to Math, IGCSE Math, Syllabus 0580. So, in the last video, it was about Introduction to Algebra, and apparently I didn't cover all of it. So, this will be the part 2 of it. Okay, so the first one is substitution in algebra. Okay, so we have an example here. Find the value of 5a minus 3b when a is equal to 7 and b is equal to negative 2. Okay, so essentially we would just put these two values into this variable. Okay, so 5, instead of putting a, we will put 7. Okay, minus 3, instead of putting b, we will put negative 2, and then just evaluate. So 5 times 7, it will be 35, minus 3 times negative 2, it will be negative 6. Okay, so 35, and then two negative sign means one positive sign, so 35 plus 6, it will be 41. Okay, so next one. Okay, and combining like terms and simplify expression. Okay, so we can know if a term is a like term to another if the first one is have the same variable and indices. Okay, so for example 2x squared and 4x squared, they are like term. Even though the coefficient is different, they still have the same variable of x and the indices of 2. Okay, so if we would combine them, it would be 6x squared. Okay, so this is example. So example is 3x and 5x, they still have the same variable and the indices of 1, so they are still like term. Okay, so if we add them, it will be 8x. And another example is 6y squared and 5y squared. When we add them, it will be 11y squared. Okay, so this is the first one, and the second one is just a number. If we have a number like two numbers, for example 6 and 7, we can add them. Okay, so it will be 13. So the first one, if we have variable and indices, they have to be the same, and the second one is about number. Okay, if we have any number, we can just combine them. Okay, so we have a practice. The first one is 6x minus 6x, which is 0, as we may know. 4r plus 5r minus 8r. 4r plus 5r, it will be 9r, minus 8r, it will be r, or 1r. it's the same thing. Question number 6. 4b minus 7b, it will be negative 3b, and then add it to 4, so it will be 1b. Okay, try to do the rest by yourself and pause the video first. After that I'll solve it. So this case we have two different variables. Okay, so we would add the same variable. Okay, so negative 2s with 5s. So let's arrange it. Negative 2s plus 5s plus r plus 2r. Okay, so it would be, the first one is negative 2s plus 5s, it will be 3s, and then r plus 2r, it will be 3r. Okay, so plus 3r. So we cannot combine again. This is the simplest answer. You cannot combine 3s and 3r because they have different variable. Okay, so question number 8. 2r minus 1/2 r. Okay, so in this case we will have to make the denominator the same. Okay, so we know that 2r means 2 over 1r. Okay, so we want to make 2 over 1, we want to make the denominator the same as 1/2, so we want to make the denominator equals 2. Okay, so just multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, and we will get 4 over 2r minus 1/2 r. Okay, this will be 4 minus 1 over 2r equals to 3 over 2r. Okay, in this question number 9 is similar. So c minus 1 over 2c, c is just 1 over 1, and we will multiply by 2 to make the denominator the same. So 2 over 2c minus 1/2 c, we will get 1/2 c. Question number 24. C plus c squared minus 2c. Okay, so you may notice that we have the same variable of c, but we have different indices. We have c squared and we have the c over c to the power of 1. Okay, so we cannot add c squared with the other c, because remember that in order to combine the like terms, it must be the same variable and the same indices. Okay, so we cannot combine c squared. So c minus 2c it will be negative c. Okay, and then plus c squared. So this is the simplest you can get. The next one, d minus e cube plus 2d plus 2e cube. Okay, we have d and e as the variable. Just combine the d's, d plus 2d, and then combine the e's, so plus 2e cubed minus e cubed. Okay, d plus 2d, it will be 3d, and then 2e cubed minus e cubed, it will be e cubed. Okay, so I will write 25 here because I don't have much space. D 3d plus e cubed. Okay, question number 26. F squared minus 3f minus 2f. We'll just write f squared, and then we will add the minus 3f and negative 2f, so it will be negative 5f. Okay, and question number 27, we'll just add the like terms of a squared minus 3a squared, so it will be negative 2a squared plus b. Question number 28, it's easy, it will be 2 over 2, which is 1. And finally 29, it will be 2 over 2x or 1x. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you guys soon. Bye.